Hello everyone. Okay, so let's announce the stream again. Okay. Let's just wait for one or two people to join. Hello. Oh, we've got people. Amazing. I like having streams with viewers. Streams with no viewers are rather boring. Okay, let's just wait 1 or 2 more minutes. While I'm at it, why not get the... Give me a second while I get the Google Doc back up. No, I don't want to do all of that yet. Okay, here we go. Alright. So, today I thought we would start off by continuing with the gamer chair and then see if we can make a gamer villager and add some extra behaviour to it and some traits. And then we can move on to some other things, maybe. Just look at the gamer share for now, see what it looks like. Yeah, so the first problem is that we can see through it like this. Now, we actually didn't look at the tutorial fully, so let's get back up Neoforge tutorial. Where was documentation, I think. Yeah, here. Blocks. Okay. Advanced blocks. Registering a block. There's a big caution here. Do we read it? I think we should probably read it. Block in the level and the block and the inventory are very different things. Block in the level is represented by a block state, an block state, and its behavior is defined by an instance of block. Meanwhile, an item in the inventory is an item stack controlled by an item. As a bridge between the different worlds of block and item, there exists the class block item. Block item is a subclass of item and has a field block that holds a reference to the block it represents. Block item defines some behavior of a block as an item, such as how to right-click places a block, how a right-click places a block. Possible to have a block without a block item, for example Minecraft Water. When a block is registered, only a block is registered. The block does not automatically have a block item. To create a basic block item for block, one should set the registry name of the block item to that of its block. Custom subclasses of block item may be used as well. Once an block item have been registered for block, block as item can be used to retrieve it. Okay, so we actually did that in the example mod. is it? Here it is. Yeah, so there's a gamer chair block and a gamer chair item. Oh, the gamer chair has a block item. Okay. And I didn't see anything about things being see-through like that. Oh dear. Hello, Odin. How are you doing today? Legacy behavior. Minecraft 1.7. Goodness gracious. Come on, Forge. Update your docs. Okay. Alright, so I don't see anything in here, so maybe we will Google it. Forge block can see through world. How about that? Yeah, this looks like this person has the same issue. Override get render layer in your block classes where their model is not a solid cube and return either cutout mitt or cutout. Oh, but you can see through the world, almost like you're in spectator mode. I'm not sure this works, but let's try it. So we can try it. Oh, but we don't have our custom block. So let's make a custom block. We should actually repackage some things here. We make an item package. We're going to put all of the items. And we're going to make a block package. If I can spell, and I'm going to put all of our blocks in there. Gamer chair block. Extends block. Okay, and get render layer. Oh, it's not even a thing. Cutout mitt. Render type. Maybe get render type. Get render type. No. Where's this used? Okay, hang on. Method parameter declaration. Method return type. Client model. No. I'm guessing that this must be outdated. So this isn't useful. Hello. You're supposed to set it like this, are you? So like something about solid? Force solid off. Why is it deprecated? How do torches work? Torch again. There's a whole word. Here we go. No collision, instabate, light level rather. Sound push protection. No collision with two S's, look at that. Thanks, Mojang. Instabreak. Light level. Yeah. Push reaction, that should have said. Okay, maybe it's, again, maybe I need to be looking at references. Item block render types. Cut out. Okay. How do I set the render type of my block? It's in the client startup, is it? Render type, look. Yeah. Maybe it's this then. Let's try that. Render type lookup. No? Render layer, maybe. Render layer lookup. Lookup. I guess we can look in an example mod. So we had Farmer's Delight, didn't we? Farmer's Delight source code. What items do we have in Farmer's Delight, or blocks, sorry, that are not full blocks? Basket? I think basket wouldn't be a full block, probably. I want to go there, please. But maybe in this class, no. I guess maybe basket doesn't change the vendor type. What about cutting board? Client setup events. Event.register. Oh, this is block entity renderer. This is not what we want. Struggling here slightly. Cooking pot. What about this? Do I ask in the Forge Discord? I think I might ask in the Forge Discord. So how do we ask in the Forge Discord? We need to go into our game. We need to make it very clear. I think this is probably an issue they'll recognise. So we'll just make a nice screenshot. And search in the Discord first. That's true. Yes, let's do that. Going to go into the NeoForge Discord. Going to search for, I don't know, see-through worlds. This is probably not. Render type. Find out which render type. Item block render types. Oh, we saw that a minute ago. But how do we do it for modded blocks? Because we can't just add to that class, I don't think. The coal face. Add the not solid property on your block. 1.16. Try that. Oh, there's force solid off. We should try force solid off just to see if that works. No. Render type lookup dot set render layer. Render type lookup. Render type group. Render type helper. No. Render type group. Oh, is my IDE going to freeze, is it? Okay, so let's try model support 1.20. What's the equivalent of render type lookup for 1.20? And let's just paste the image in as well, just to I can see through the world. There we go. Hopefully someone responds quickly. If not, then no worries. Add no occlusion onto your block. Well, I would love to do that if my IDE wasn't hanging. I had this yesterday as well. Okay, so no occlusion apparently. Let's see if this works. Oh, we are already running. Aha! That seems to have worked. Don't forget to say thank you. Okay, so there's a couple of other issues that are obvious. There's the fact that this is an opaque block still, so you can see that the lighting is a bit messy. So I think we can just make it transparent somehow. How do we do that? How is torches are going to be transparent, are they? What's transparent? Let's glass. Glass. Well, ice is also transparent. Is view blocking? If it blocks vision on the client side. Hello, you haven't missed much. You've missed about half an hour in which we have managed to make the chair not obscure, like not make you see through the world. That's the extent of our success so far. And to do that, we had to ask in the Forge Discord how to do it. Here. So now we're just going to try and set the transparency so that we can see through the so that it doesn't have this funny thing going on here. And we're already struggling apparently. Glass, maybe it's in the block. Abstract glass block. Half transparent block. I don't see anything related there. What other transparent blocks are there in the game? There's quite a lot of them, aren't there? I don't know, like dead bush, dead bush, dead underscore bush maybe, yes. Lectern is another one, yeah. We'll have a look at the lectern if we can't find it through the dead bush. No, I am not doing well today, am I? Do you use ChatGPT or other AI assistants? Not a lot. I find them to, at least the GPT 3.5, which is the one I have access to, they tend to like bullshit a lot, and that's not very helpful. I think in the near future they might start being quite helpful, but could it be the propagate skylight down override? Hello, Red Nesto. Could be, yes. But isn't that to do with because the leaves, those are transparent, but they make it so that the skylight doesn't always be at 15 below them, but glass is sort of 15 below them. Yeah, but I do think AI will improve in the near future for this sort of thing. Just right now, I can't recommend to use it for well, not just Minecraft, in general, like any framework which isn't like so well known that it's like almost part of the language. Okay, so how do I mean, we can try Red Nesto's suggestion. I don't think it will work, but we can try it. So let's override propagate skylight down, turn true, and we need to not forget to make this a gamer chair block. We'll see what this looks like. No. No, so how else do we make it transparent? Jeez, I'm struggling today. Search on Google again. Maybe it's under here. Have you looked at block properties? That's the first thing I try. We can try again. Let's have a look inside of it. Block behavior. Block properties. No, you don't need to apologise for being late. That's very silly. It's not a school class. Search for is it view blocking? Is it really view blocking? Whoops. That's not what I meant to click on. Is view blocking. Blocks vision on the client side. But lighting is server side too. Maybe it's just the block shape. Let's try changing the block shape, shall we? Shape. Get shape. Because we saw that for, what did we say it for? Torch block. Yeah. We're gonna copy paste the torch shape for now. If it's this, then I don't know what to say. No, it's not that. It changed it so that it's got like a torch shape there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Shape should be for collisions. So what is for lighting? Yeah, the model is pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Unfortunately, the lighting is not so cool. Okay, it's not. We don't want to be looking at. How about glass pane block? Same glass pane block. Iron bars also similar. skip. No, it's not skip rendering. Okay, maybe it's just somewhere else. What's set render layer? Where did you see that? I didn't see that anywhere. I'm gonna have to ask in the Forge Discord again, I think. Actually, no. Let's hold off on that. Let's try and search Forge make block transparent. Let's see if the render type. No, we've just done that. This is old, but we found out via the Forge Discord what the replacement for this is. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to ask in the Forge Discord again. Sorry, guys. Oh, somebody also replied. Render type is specified in the model, but only if but you only need it if, e.g., that white hole in the back of the chair is meant to be transparent. Otherwise, you should either set the shape properly or set no occlusion. Also, you may want the top part of the chair that sticks out of the block to be a second block, the same way as doors. Yeah, so actually we want the white to not be transparent. I didn't say that out loud yesterday, but hello. But I decided that I didn't want that. I just wanted it to be white. And But the rest of his advice is quite interesting. See what else he's typing before we ask another question. Random suggestion, what if the chair could be dyed any colour? That is a interesting suggestion. What do you think about that, chat? A dyeable gamer chair. We could definitely add it to the list of suggestions. I will add it to the list of suggestions. Gamer chair. Dyeable. Guy called Random. With the rotations, it'll make hundreds of block states if you don't use block entity renderers. Yeah, we'll have to figure that out. Yeah, okay, so it's all ... because streamer mode is enabled. I was wondering why that's quite annoying actually. I want to see their actual name. Can I please do that? Why does Discord think that you don't want to see people's names while you're streaming? Okay, so also, how do I make it so that light passes through the block? In case you're a big streamer so your friends don't get harassed. I guess. It's a bit annoying though. There should be a way to at least reveal it if I want to, you know? Okay. So while we're waiting for that, what else do we need to do with the block? We should set the collision box properly. So let's have a look at how the lectern does that. Lectern block. Oh my goodness gracious. Get collision shape. Get shape. Switch facing. But collision shape is different. Shape's still OR, so I'm assuming that's just the union of two shapes. Common and top plate. Random 832. Thank you. Did you go and look? I don't know if they'd want to be credited, but whatever. You joined the server to check. Amazing. So common is made of the base and the post, and the top plate is made of that. Yeah, you should always try to solve problems by yourself, but there's a balance as well. Don't go too far and be stuck for hours before asking for help. No one's replied yet. Okay, so what was the other thing we wanted? Oh yeah, the vendor shape. I've got the memory of a goldfish, man. So the collision shape, I guess it can just be the union of. Oh yeah, rapper sound. I've got the Aldi equivalent of penguin bars. So we want the base, I guess. This can be like from the floor up to the seat, and then the back, perhaps just the base and the back. Maybe we'll include the armrests as well. In fact, we probably should, because we don't want people to be able to just run over the chair like that. So how tall is the base? It's like 0.4 blocks, I guess. We could look at it in Blockbench. In fact, let's do that. Blockbench. If I can remember how to open Blockbench. Snow layers is also an idea. How big is a snow layer? 1, 2, 3, whoops, 3, 4. Ah! So, oh yeah, CS isn't a thing in this. So it seems to be. Is that 4 snow layers or slightly under? It's like 3.5 snow layers. I'm going to look at it in Blockbench, so I think it'll give us a nice precise measurement. Okay, so position 6, and the size is 1.5 in the Y, so it's 7.5 is the top. 7.5 divided by 16, that is. Oh, someone's having a barbecue with my window being open. How mean. You're supposed to warn your neighbours when you have a barbecue. Be nice to your neighbours. Right, anyway, what was I doing? So yeah, we want the base shape. It's going to be from x0, y0, z0. This is measured in pixels, by the way. x16, z16, and the y was 7.5, was it? Yeah, 7.5. 7.5. Whoops, 7.5. Oh my god, I can't type. 7.5. Okay. It's the base shape. Let's have the back as well. So we're going to go up from 7.5 all the way up to 16, I think. I don't think we should go outside the block. And make this private. Private, static, final, voxel shape, back shape. Oh, but it depends which way the thing is facing, doesn't it? from position 2-2 to position 14-14. Oh, it's so this is the z-axis, okay, and this. How do doors do it? We'll have a look at that in a minute. Position, and I think this should also be 2 to 14-14. In position 2, 7.52 to 3.5, 16, 14. It's the back shape. So let's have a look at doors. Door block. Oh, they've just got separate AABBs for each direction, and they're just hard-coded each of them. Should we do the armrests as well? What should the armrest shape be? Actually, let's not do the armrests just yet. We'll just have this for now. How is it done? Lectern shapes.or. Okay. Let's see then. Did we get an answer? Setting the shape might help. I tried that. Oh! Suddenly the shape has... You could just vault over the... Okay, so I'm too lazy to do anything more than this. I do need to make the block rotatable though, so we shall do that. How do we make a block rotatable? Well, can we think of any rotatable blocks in the game? Rotatable in the horizontal axis, I mean. I can think of one. Doors is indeed one, yeah. Oh goodness, I'm closing all the wrong blocks. Door block. I'm thinking door might be a have a lot of extra complicated stuff though. You can export the shape from Blockbench for something more accurate. Heads. Heads they have 16 rotations, don't they? So that's going to be a little bit too rotatable. I'm thinking maybe furnace. Alright, that's got a facing, horizontal directional block. So I'm thinking we simply extend horizontal directional block. Okay, which furnace doesn't seem to do, but I think we can do that. Okay, and I think before we add a state, we should read the wiki again, because it had a thing on block states. Introduction of states. Minecraft 1.8 and above. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. So block states are immutable, yes. So this should be something that you're familiar with if you're in, for example, technical Minecraft. There's even an example of chairs here, look. Implementing block states, right. Your block class creates or reference static final property objects for every property the block has. You are free to make your own property implementations, but the means to do that are not covered in the article. Vanilla code provides several convenient implementations. Yes, yes, yes. Block state, shared and vanilla properties. And you have desired property objects. Override block create state definition. Now, this I noticed didn't override this method, so we need to do it ourselves. Create state definition. Okay, and I guess just pbuilder dot add facing. Is that all we need to do? I hope that's what we need to do. Oh yeah, just add, call add. Every block will also have a default state which is automatically chosen for you. You can change this default state by calling the block register default state method from your constructor. Okay, so I guess we don't need to do that for now. If it does it for us. So let's see what the default state is. Facing north. Okay, but it's actually facing east. I don't think it. No, we haven't implemented like rotations yet. So facing north, what we could do then is change the model so that the chair is facing north. So I guess transform, rotate. So north is towards negative z. So we want the chair to be facing to our right. Oh. Oh dear, that's messed up, hasn't it? Look at that. Deary me, someone needs to fix their thing, don't they? I'm just going to quickly Google to see if there's a maybe a plugin that does it. Block bench rotate is broken. Ah, it's because we're in local space, maybe. But we want the pivot to be pivot tool. And that to be in the middle. Trying to get the pivot in the middle. Is that the middle? I don't think it's quite the middle, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's not quite the middle. There we go. Right, now what if we rotate again? Oh. Ooh. Would you look at that? We have successfully rotated a model. Okay, so the chair is now actually facing north. So we can file, save project, and we're going to make sure we export here. Okay. And I'm interested in how that changed our JSON file. Okay, it did just change all of the coordinates, that's good. see what that looks like in game, I guess. Although, just before we do that, let's see if we can see how to go into the data gen, change the block state file. Block state provider. Simple block with item. Now we don't want this anymore, do we? Because that's simple block. We want like a rotatable block. Horizontal block. See, horizontal block. And then simple item, simple block item. Share item. What does simple block item do? Oh, I see. So the parent is just this. Okay, let's try that. We need to run data gen. Okay, and let's see. Our block state has changed. Interesting. And it's crashed. Can't load filter metadata. Oh, hang on, I've done run J2 again. I should be running run client. Feels like an ASMR vid. Is there a problem with the sound? Okay, it's now facing north, is it? Yeah, facing north. They're all facing north. We can maybe set block there to project Labyrinth gamer chair facing equals west. So, and that is west, yes. Ignore the hitbox, I know the hitbox is broken. Okay, so next step is to make it so that you can place a gamer chair in the right direction. So let's have a look at how furnaces do that. Interaction result use? No, that's to open the furnace. Get state for placement. That looks like what we want. Get state for placement. And we need to override. Get rid of this. Okay. Now let's see if our chair is placed facing towards us, as would be the most logical, I think. Seems to be. Nice. Okay, now the hitbox. Now the hitbox. Can we rotate a shape? Is there like a back shape dot rotate, or maybe shapes dot rotate? No, there isn't. Oh, how irritating. Right, so back shape. It was facing east, wasn't it? So if the chair is facing east, its back is going to be on the west, and that's what this is. So this is shape east now. So on the west, we're going to have a back between the x. So the x here is between 2 and 3.5, so it's going to be between 14 and 12.5. Okay. North. If the chair is facing north, then the back is going to be on the south, which is towards positive z. So we just need to make the x go between 2 and 14, and the z go between 12.5 and 14. Of course, we're going to test all of these. For south, the back is on the north, which is going to be going to mean that it's similar to the east one which we made. So it's 2, 2 to 14 and 3.5. 5. And south. South. Okay. Get shape. Switch pstate dot get value facing. Okay, so down and up. North, shape north. South, shape south. West, shape west. East, shape east. Okay. Is there no way to rotate a block box? I looked for that a minute ago. I didn't see one. So, and vanilla does it this way, so I guess we just have to do it this way. It's terrible, isn't it? There should be a way to rotate it. Okay. Does this look good? I think it does for that direction. What about this direction? Seems to look good as well. Yeah. Nice. Okay, there's one thing left of the chair. Yeah. I'm pretty impressed that I could figure out the numbers as well. Okay, so one thing left of the chair. I don't like the breaking and placing sound. Also, I'd like to be able to sit in it. But the problem with sitting is that sitting isn't an existing pose, so... Oh, I guess it is actually. Hello. But I'm not sure how you would actually make something sit. I feel like we should be going for something simpler to start with. Yeah, minecart. You can sit on a minecart, but that's like you're riding an entity, not riding a block. I don't know how you make a player ride a block. How do we craft a gamer chair then? Should we add a crafting recipe for it? Should be able to rotate it while sitting. That's a good idea. Okay, let's add these to the ideas list. Should be able to rotate while sitting. Katamoto. That's quite funny, I like that. Also, I've just realised we haven't tested breaking it. Oh! Oh, it doesn't drop anything. Okay. Well, that's a problem as well. I think we need to add a loot table. Is there a thing on that? Maybe under data generators. Data generators server loot table generation. Labyrinth loot table provider. Each loot table provider sub-provider entry takes in a supplied loot table sub-provider which generates the loot table for a given loot context param set. The loot table sub-provider contains a method which takes in the writer, which is a by consumer of resource location and loot table.builder to generate the table. Can I just like see an example? That would be nice. Like, I want a nice, oh my goodness, I just want a nice simple, if we can turn with the chair, we can move, can we move with it too? I'm thinking, let's take a look at Pam's Harvest Craft again. See how they generate their loot tables. I'm not sure if I want to go that far because then it's just basically a minecart, right? Yeah. I want to get rid of this find menu, clear. Okay. Loot? No. Oh, it's under data, surely. Data. Data. Did they like manually create loot tables? Loot tables, blocks. They really did manually create loot tables, wow. I don't like that. Forge loot table provider. Forge loot table provider. Oh, it's final. Don't think I'm meant to be doing that. So the required tables just going to be set to of, and sub-provider is this thing. I'm very confused. Obfuscation reflection helper. Get private value. This is horrible. What is this? Maybe I should go back to the tutorial. I think it might even be simpler. So I just need a sub-provider, apparently. Fishing loot, chest loot, I see. I see. Private block loot. Implements sub provider loot table sub provider. Oh, I see. New sub provider entry. Oh, whoops. And then loot context param set. How does vanilla do this? Loot context param sets dot. Loot context param sets dot block. I am so confused about all of this. Okay, hopefully this works though. So how does vanilla block loot work? Drop self. Maybe we could probably just extend block loot sub provider. Extends block loot sub provider. Explosion resistant. Items that are explosion resistant. features, feature flags, .registry, .all flags. Get rid of these parameters. Alright. Drop self. Labyrinth. Project Labyrinth. Labyrinth dot gamerchair.block.get. Okay, now we just need to register our thing again. Labyrinth loot table divider. Okay. Let's run the data gen. Missing loot table Minecraft blocks / stone for Minecraft stone. Huh. Get known blocks. Let's get, I think we just need to override get known blocks. Turn, I don't know, iterables.empty, is that a thing? And do collections empty list. Okay. Right, let's see if that works then. Okay, and the way I found that was just I looked in the stat trace. The stat trace brought me here, and then I read the code, understood what it's doing. It's iterating over the known blocks and basically checking if Oh, but now it wants... Okay. It wants me to list all of the blocks that I'm generating a loot table for, which is extremely annoying. I'm going to... Probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like... I'll go over every block in the registry, so registry.block, like, isn't it, built-in registries.block. Oh, it's deprecated, is it? Use forge registries.block. Forge registries.blocks. Get entries. Dot stream. Dot filter. Okay, and then we have our entry. We want to make sure that the entry key location namespace is equal to our mod ID. So project labyrinth.mod ID, and then map to okay, this looks kind of horrible. But this is basically getting, going through all of the blocks in the block registry, filtering by if the blocks, the block ID's namespace is equal to our mod ID, so basically all of the blocks from our mod, mapping the entry to the actual block and then converting it to a list and returning that. So hopefully this will return all of the blocks in our mod. And we seem to be having successes now. So let's see, we've got, yeah, nice. Perfect. So now hopefully, if we try to break our block, it will drop itself. We've got gamer chair back. Gamer chair. Let's make some gamer chairs. Let's go into survival mode. And yet it's dropping gamer chairs. And I bet the tutorial already told us to do this. Oh, we can use the block registrar. Deferred register. Okay, so it's actually supposed to do it a different way. It's supposed to use the deferred register here. Turn project labyrinth.blocks.getKnown. Okay, that's a little bit cleaner. Okay. Hello. We have just finished making it so that chairs actually drop themselves when you break them. We should make it so that they have a sound category of wool, probably, as well. Or they sound the same as wool, rather. Is that in here? Of course not. But I saw sound in, let's see, blocks. Search for wool, and I saw sounds somewhere. Wool. Sound and sound type wool. Dot sound type dot wool. And I want to make it so that it requires, you know, the right tool to break. So like a way to set the tool. Let's see how tools work. So we want perhaps shear item. Oh God. What is the tool that's used for wool? In fact, let's just go for axe item. Wool uses shears. It does use shears. I'm not going crazy. Oh dear. Okay, well we're going to use the axe for now then. I don't see how to do. Yeah, the block tag at least for axe. So how do you add to a block tag? Let's see, in data generators. Tag generation. Okay, so let's make a tags provider. Labyrinth block tags provider. Extend block tags provider, which is apparently a forge class. Oh god, this is complicated. Our mod ID. Okay, we can at least fill in mod ID. Okay. Tag. Block tags dot mineable with axe dot is replaced true by default. This is not set to true by default. Okay, so dot add, and we need to add our block, so that can be project labyrinth dot gamerchair block dot get. Okay. Now I need to register this again. Okay, are we good? We also want the mining speed to be reduced. So how does that work? Blocks. Wool. I think it's the hardness, isn't it? Like the block hardness, etc. Oh, white wall. Okay. Strength. Strength 0.8. Yeah, okay. Oh, we forgot to run the data gen. We forgot to run the data gen. Oh, I pressed run data again. Stop. Run client. Moment of truth. Okay. This is better. And we want to get out an axe. See if it's any better. Oh yes. Just want to check that I haven't broken logs or anything. I haven't. Good. Good. We're all Gucci. Right. Is there a wool sound while walking on it? Yes, there is. Perfect. Gamer chairs. Good. Let's commit this then. Gamer chair stuff. Commit and push. In fact, before we do that, let's add the gamer chair suggestion guy to the credits. format text strike through. Okay, and that will be under the mod toml, mods.toml, alphabetical order, so he goes before you. Sorry for saying that. Okay. Commit. Gamer chair stuff. Yes. All right. I should have called myself ASADO Nihilist. I know, right? But then there'd be someone called ASADO Nihilist. Anyway, right, so we were going to make a villager profession, weren't we? So for that we need to register a POI. Okay. What is a max tickets? What? You what? Oh, I see. Max tickets and valid range are 1 and 1 for most things. Hang on. Okay, state definition, possible states. Okay. Max tickets 1, valid range 1, as we found in the vanilla code. Right, hopefully this works. And then we have our gamer profession. And now we have our own POI type. Gamer chair POI. Oops. gamer chair POI dot get. But we want the resource key. The bell has more tickets than one. I don't know what tickets is. Acquire job site. The maximum number of villagers that can assign to it at once. Okay. Requested items, secondary POI and work sound. Requested items. Secondary POI and work sound. Oh, hang on. These need to be immutable sets apparently. Well, I guess for now we'll just do villager work, librarian for now, and we can make a sound event later. Okay. We have made a villager profession. What do we do with our villager profession? Villager trades. What are you working on? I am trying to add a new villager profession. We need a skin for him, that is true. So, when a villager spawns, let's see, villager, does he like make a new profession? Like, or does he pick a random profession? What goes on here? Oh no he doesn't, does he? He goes. He tries to look for a new POI. That's how it works these days. Should we try and do this? See what happens. Any villager here would have plenty of POIs. Do the wrong time of day? Or some? No, there isn't a wrong time of day for this. I don't think they are picking up a job. Okay. Brain goals. Hello, I hear someone in voice chat.
Hello.
Hello.
I wanted to ask you something.
Okay, but bear in mind I'm streaming.
Wait, I don't even see your stream.
Well, you can look on Twitch.
Oh. Why am I banned from Kiwi Tech?
This is not an appropriate question to ask on a Twitch stream.
Okay, I won't. Sorry.
Okay, good. So, now, how work, activity, work. But no, we want activity. I have seen this code before, by the way, chat. So if you're wondering why I'm not struggling as much as probably many people would here, it's because I've seen this code before. Wait, am I hearing villagers doing things? I can't tell. How does one become proficient? Okay, we can go into villager. Data, villager, data. Thanks, Mojang. Where does a villager set its profession? Set profession. Get villager data dot set profession. Assign profession from job site. Potential job site. Go to potential job site. I hate this code. Yield? No, not yield job site, surely. All acquirable jobs. POI type tags. Oh, I see. So we need to make we need to add it to the acquirable job site POI tag. Okay. So we need to add a Labyrinth POI type tags provider. POI type tags provider. Send POI type tags provider. Oh, and it's deprecated. Why is this deprecated? Forge, use the mod ID variant. Okay, Forge. Okay, and then we add this to our thingy thing here that we did for blocks. Okay. Add. Dot. How do I add a tag? Oh, it's just tag. Tag. POI type tags. Dot. Acquirable dot job site dot add. Project Labyrinth dot gamer share POI. Okay. We run the data generator again. And we get an exception. Couldn't define tag as it is missing following references. Couldn't define tag Minecraft. Is there like a tags provider? Tags provider. Line 126. Couldn't define tag CentS as it is missing following references. We need a skin for him. What? Good night. So the lookup is point of interest type. Okay, so it's unvegetated from the registry. That's what's going on. Built-in registries dot poi point of interest type dot get yeah, it's not there. It's not there. Oh, this. I forgot to register the deferred register. Goodness me. Right. Damn, that was annoying. Okay, we now have some new things. So now do villagers get attracted to the thing, TM? Oh! Lamau. Can I just try and trade? No, they don't like to be traded with. Gamer villager. It's a Barbie villager. Right, we've got some errors in the log. Let's see what they are. File not found exception. Alright. Yeah, so there's no... Obviously there's no texture for this yet. I love this. What is this this thing they have down there? I'm not sure. I'm going to take a short break. I think that was quite tricky to do this. I had to look into the code. Hopefully you're at least 10% following along with that, because like that was tricky, and I was kind of focusing more than explaining what I was doing, which is kind of not the point of the series. I apologise. I was just looking through the villager code to see if I could find what was going on, and then I was debugging the tag code. But yeah, I'm gonna get a drink. You know, there's probably already a tutorial for making villager types. Why can I not? Please, can I? Thank you. Miscellaneous? I should have followed my own advice and said that forge villager forge make villager profession. Is that a thing? Oh, we could have looked at this. It's latest version 191, but it might not have changed that much. Oh, but this one's outdated. Okay, anyway, it says could not find villager profession layer. Does it not? Do they not like think about the biomes as well? I don't know. But it should be having textures, entity, villager, profession, gamer.png. So let's make one of those, shall we? Textures, entity, villager, profession. We need a gamer.png. We're going to copy one of Minecraft's librarian PNG. Okay. I'm really not sure what that means. But we're going to go into GIMP. I want to like show it in the Dot Minecraft. Village have multiple texture layers. It's easier to tell where things are by looking at the main layer. And the tom.motran. Where's Minecraft? Oh, it's this. I see. What's in this file? Villager hat full. Right, what would a gamer wear? Headphones. That is a very good point. What else would they wear? Like, what colour robe should they have? Could you lower the villager sound to make a little? Sure. Music and sounds. What is it? Music and sounds. I guess friendly creatures? Okay. What would a gamer villager wear? Other than headphones? Hoodie, yes, that's true. Hoodie. Right, let's see if we can make a hoodie. I just want to place down a lectern. Hello. Become clever or something. There's loads of lecterns. Okay, here we go. Now, I don't know if block bench. Not a skin, is it? I'm not sure. What's the best way to edit villager textures? This is the hat. Let's give it a headset. Villager.png. Ah, there's another layer. That's a very good idea. Villager.png. Oh yeah, look at that. Hasn't got the hat, but in fact I would like the hat. Can I like rename the layer? Reduce its health because it has no life. I want to like make the layer like a little bit less prominent. But I'm going to copy and paste the head. Over here. Just so it's obvious. Add 50% transparency to a layer. How do you do that? Ah, thanks for the subscription. You hate me? Oh. Well, I literally just said thanks for the subscription, and now you're throwing it right back in my face. I'm kidding, right? Opacity, apparently. I don't see any R here. Ah. Ah. Right, okay, so let me delete the glasses. Let's delete the hat as well. Okay, and we're going to add a headset to the gamer villager. We don't have many pixels to work with. Oops. It's also easier working with a flat colored background, you think? Probably is, yeah. Oops. I'm just kind of hoping that this is going to look right. Oh, I think I've gone over there. Oops. Whoops. Whoops. Okay, so it's like some overlay. Can I like export only the visible layers? Okay, well, we'll see if this works then. Source, main, resources, assets, labyrinth, textures, entity, villager, profession, gamer.png. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can see these headphones. Look at these gamers! Oh, it's slightly off, but that's fine. Would you like freeze, please? Yeah, the right headphone is like... the microphone goes under their nose. Give them some energy drinks. We have our gamer juice here. They're gonna be trading that with you. Looks like a call center. Oh dear. What color hoodie should we give them? Also, their ears are a little bit too high up. I wish they would stop looking at me. Stop it. Spectator mode. Here we go. It's supposed to be moved one to the left. Why is this not moving? Move tool. Nothing ever works. Move. No, it's moving everything. I just want to move the single thing. Move, layer, selection. The thing in the selection. Change cursor. What? I moved the selection. It's literally just moving the selection, not the thing in the selection. I already did it, remember delay? What delay? There's delay? Okay, I'll just do it by cutting and pasting. Okay. Now I'm not sure what the rules are for sort of the sweater overlay, if you know what I mean. Or like the robes. See butcher.png. So I'm guessing it must be I'm so confused. I guess villagers just don't have a texture in that area. Why am I finding it so hard to paste something? Oh well. Have to click that base layer first. Ah! Hey! Right. Yeah, I don't know what this is. You're in the... Yeah, that's the stream delay, I think. Goes all the way up. Is there like an example on like in the vanilla villager textures that's like really clear? But let me spawn a butcher. What's the butcher's POI? Smoker. Be a butcher. Don't look at me, be a butcher. There we go. It goes down to his legs. Okay, well, I'm going to make a hoodie. I'll attempt to make a hoodie from this information. Okay. I'm also going to follow that guy's advice. Make it a white layer. So move that torso piece that you copied over earlier to the top so that it's at the top of the straps. Yeah. Yeah. I agree with that. Okay, let's copy that over again then. Copy, paste, move. Problem is, this is like left, right, and then front, back, but this is like clearly the back is all the way to the right over here. So like maybe there's some things need to be swapped over. Like, is that half? That might be half. Move that over to the right. Oh no, that's too far though. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, some of this is part of this, is it? No, no, that's not right either. Oh no! Oh no no no! No. I think this needs to be down or up. I think this needs to be like this. I think we're not supposed to copy. I think it's like this. I think that's right here. Let's go back into the game and have a look at structure. The stupid arms are in the way. Had it right before. His neck isn't really that big. It's the top of the torso. I think this is like the inside of the neck. Oh. Oh, yes, I can see now. Look. I see. I see. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, no, this is right. Okay. So if we're going to make a hoodie then, let's make a hoodie. What does a hoodie look like? Well, it's black mostly. How wide are the sides in pixels? 1, 2. Ugh. That's like 6. Can't tell. Stop looking at me. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the front. 1. Perhaps that's the front, and then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think the front and the back are 8 blocks wide. Uh, 8 pixels wide. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, and a hoodie is just like a... Maybe you can make the part of the hood on the head texture, so it's like the hood is around his neck. Top of torso, bottom of torso. Top of torso, bottom of torso. Then below there's the left side, front, right side, back. Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, let's start by filling this entire rectangle with black, and we'll go from there. Oops. underneath the headphones. I was thinking that you could do the hoodie with an open hood. I'm not sure though. Also, this needs to be a bit lighter. I don't think. I think this is a bit too dark. So let's make it a grey hoodie. There we go. Underneath the headphones. Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's do it to the head. Do it to the head as well. So we're just gonna start off by doing this. Okay, and then the top of the head. Okay, and the back of the head. Right. Let's just save this for now and see what it looks like. One extra row on the right. Where? I think that might be stream delay because I don't see where that would be. Let's just export this. And see what the game has now looked like. And then we'll add some more detail to the texture. Oh yeah, the shoulders are going to be a problem, aren't they? Their heads are so big. Can maybe one of you show off your shoulders for a second? Oh yeah, you're right, the shoulders still need doing. Okay, we can do the shoulders. That's here, isn't it? In fact, I'm gonna just add a couple more lines down. Whoopsie. The head of the hoodie over to the left where the original head is, so the headset could be a layer above. Is that gonna work? I think it's better to just distinguish it with colours, so let's just make it a slightly lighter grey. That what I like about the original, like these hoodies, is, well, I'm going to show you in a second once the game loads again. I like how they go over the head, but on the other hand, it makes their head look very big, and I don't like that. Like the head is now too big in comparison to the body. I like how it does that. It looks like an actual hood, goes over the head. But it does make the head look too big. So let's try moving it over. Let's try moving it over. Oh no, whoops. How do you like set pixels to transparent without deleting them like I just did? You can select areas of similar colour instead of selecting rectangles. Oh yeah, okay. Like the magic wand select. I'll do that next time. I agree now, this looks better. Their arms need to be like hoodied though. Where are the arms? Are these the arms? I'm confused. Let's take a look at the arms are all the way on the left in the middle row here. Yeah, these don't look like very much like, you know, villager arms. Try and remove the biome texture when they are a gamer, just so we have plain villager gamer outfit. Maybe we can do that in a bit. I'm not sure how you do that immediately. Base layer texture. So net Minecraft client extra assets Minecraft textures entity villager type oh, it's on the right, look. What is that on the left? Oh, that's the feet, is it? Yeah, that's the feet underneath all the robes. Okay, well, we are filling those in with this. Let's see if that covers up the arms. Maybe leave a bit of hand. I think it seems like I accidentally did. I think these are the hands down here, look. Oh yeah. What is this? I want to see inside your hands. Show me inside your hands. Stop intersecting each other. Why do you insist on doing stupid shit? If you use your scroll wheel in spectator mode, you can make yourself slower. That's true, I forgot about that. But they keep moving. Honestly, we could just leave this as it is. Leave the hands as they are. Someone with no AI, yeah. Yeah. I think I'm just going to leave it like this, though. And add some depth to this texture. So what kind of depth are we going to add? We're going to add some creases. We're going to make it to have some lighter parts. Okay. The hood is tied so you can only see their eyes and nose. And then nose, especially the nose, for the villagers. Okay, let's export this. Add a little bit of depth to the texture. Again, all the textures are subject to PRs because I'm not an expert at art. Gamers. I do think actually that at least the top of their forehead should be covered. So let's do that. Let's go down to here. Then we need to give them the trade. The eyes should be more reddish. Is that an attribute for gamers? I've not heard that stereotype. Gamer. Wait, hang on. Okay, become a gamer. I'll give you a gamer chair. Gamer. Okay, how do we give the gamer some trades then? That is the question. Go back to villager trade. Villager trading manager in Net Minecraft Forge Common. You sent me a reference on Discord. Did you? I didn't see it. Oh, Discord's doing the funny thing where I have to accept the DM. Okay, that would be quite funny. I'll leave it to PR though. Okay, villager trades. Load trades. Host villager events. So it's just event based, is it? How do I add a trade? The map is populated for levels 1 to 5 inclusive, so map get will never return null for these keys. Levels outside Range do nothing. Basic item listing provides the default implementation. Emeralds for sale, max trades, XP. Is a lot, seems to be a common number for max uses, so is 16. Let's make it 16. The number of emeralds, ooh. But I want it to vary. Whatever. Let's say 8 emeralds for gamer juice. How much XP? 1, I guess. And how about to get emeralds we could do item stack items.cookie. And then 0.05 seems to be the vanilla value for the price multiplier. I don't know, then 6 cookies. Might have to kill all the villagers just to get a new one with the trades. Sorry, gamers. Right. Aha! Entity.minecraft.villager. Whoa. Okay, we have a way to obtain gamer juice, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we don't have a way to obtain a gamer chair, though. Okay, our language provider needs entity.minecraft.villager.project.labyrinth.gamer. Gamer. We should also add a crafting recipe for the chair. So I'm just going to make it really cheap. I'm going to make it a stair, any type of stair, with a wool on top. How do we make recipes? Recipe generation. Maybe add a fence at the bottom. Maybe, yeah. Labyrinth recipe provider. Send recipe provider. We need to add the provider. Okay. Shaped recipe builder dot shaped recipe category decorations. The result needs to be a project labyrinth dot gamer chair item Okay. So the top is going to be wool. I think it's one row for each. And then the middle is going to be stairs, and then the bottom's going to be fence. Defining wool to be item tags dot wool. Defining S to be item tags dot stairs, wooden stairs. F to be item tags dot wooden fences dot save. So I just hopefully added a recipe, TM. Data recipes. Okay. And the advancement has cool. See if we can craft it. Okay, we need fence. We need stairs. And we need wool. Okay, and we're going to need a crafting table. Fence, stairs, wool. And it's shaped so you can't do that. Ta-da! Right. Add gamer villager. And with that, guys, I think that's going to be it for tonight. I will... I don't know if I'll be on tomorrow. Maybe I'll leave it until next week. I feel like it's going to be a lot of things for people to take in. I am going to upload to a second YouTube channel for people who missed things. Alright. See you later.